We got the QuickBandit for the new updated Tesla Model Y Juniper right here. So if you got a new Tesla, you probably got one of these and you want to stick it on your license plate. The way that the Tesla license plate frame works is that there are 3 adhesive strips. You would remove the adhesive cover and then stick it right onto your paint like that and use some kind of measurement tool to center it. I don't like that because it ruins the flow of the Model Y, and sometimes I just don't want a license plate. I just want it to look like that. That's why we got the QuickBandit, and Tony is the designer of the QuickBandit. He's patented. He makes them in the United States, handmade by him. He designs it for the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, X, and the updated versions of the Model Y, updated version of the Model 3, and the Cybertruck and Rivian too. So I always use these QuickBandit. This one is specifically designed for the Model Y because you see Model Y has a front camera. So this was redesigned perfectly for the Model Y. The way these QuickBandit license plate works is that you would slide it on and you will latch it, and it will be able to preserve your functionality of the camera and locks in really nicely. The way it bites in back there to hold it is really cool, and Tony's gonna actually show us what it looks like from behind. So that is the grill from the Model Y Juniper. So show us how this thing bites on and latches on.
Sure, it does sound like this.
Right there, super easy to center it over here because that's the center. And when you lock it, you see how these teeth locks? It actually locks onto the bigger, sturdy piece of plastic instead of these little thin loops right here. Love it. Very nice design. And you can take it off as easy as you put it on, just like that. Really, really cool. So let me show you actually the linkage. When you push this down, look at all the beautiful linkage that moves in there. You see? Look at all those linkage right there. And when you lock it, it has a very satisfying click to it. So when you put it on right here, you can see when I actually lock it, it has like a final bump right there. It pushes it in and holds it. It's very solid. And also, for security reasons, if you go over here, you will see there's actually a screw, and it's not a normal screw. It's a special screw. You see that tip right there? You have to have a special screwdriver that comes included with the kit. So when you tighten this down, you see now you cannot open it. It's a very secure method to secure from people stealing your plate. Now this will not fall off even if you drive on the freeway, on bumpy roads without the screw. You don't even need to put the screw. In fact, a little secret, I don't put the screw on mine just because I like to quickly put on and take off my plate. But that is the QuickBandit for the updated Model Y Juniper. This one is sweet. And there's a code, right? UTECHPIA? Yes, so 10% off if you use the code UTECHPIA. It's this with the A at the end because I can't fit UTECHPIA on my license plate. But these QuickBandit plates are so awesome. There's a lot of imitations on a lot of different stores. Go for the original one because it's better quality material, thicker material, always the top-notch design. And of course, you're supporting my friend Tony from QuickBandit. So there we go, the updated Model Y Juniper QuickBandit right here. Oh yeah.